Okay, welcome back. Today's June 15th, so we're looking at Monday, after the options for June 12th would have expired on Friday. We didn't have any of those, if you recall. I actually wanted to log in today. It's currently 4:01, so the market's just closed, to show you how even when things are down, we're still good. But just in the amount of time, from this morning to now, I've actually got positive. Okay, I haven't even looked at it yet. Let's see why that happened. Okay, so it looks like everything went up a bit. DVAX went up, IVR, SRNE. This one still went down. And the Iveri Holdings, which is hotels, restaurants, and leisure, not quite sure why I thought that could go, but it still could. And if you look at the other ones, the Dynavax Technologies went up 65 cents. That's $65 in a day. We were way down yesterday. Down, 170 here. We were down 140 something here. And this one was close to breaking even. But regardless, here's the important thing. This is what matters. So my point is, no matter what the market's doing up and down, this is what matters. Our goal for the month of June was a $500 cash infusion, or whatever you want to call it, right? I want to generate $500 in cash. I've currently generated $369.82. Okay, now to put that in perspective, now notice all these expire on June 19th, right? $8 call. If we were to look here for June 19th, so we can't sell that one, we already did. What was it, $8 call? So if I go down here to July 17th and $8 call, we could right now by Friday or Monday, this could be different, so a week later, right now we get $75 for that. And the 750 call, we could get $60 for that. That's 135-ish IVR. Well, that right there would get us our $500. Okay, but let's keep going. IVR is a $7 call, $40 right now for that. And then SRNE, oops, didn't mean to do that, it's okay. I forget which call I had there. That's why I need to go back here. There we go. SRNE, which is a $5 call for July 17th. It would still be $105 right now. Okay. So the market could do anything between now and next Monday, right? We have a week. The reason I say a week is because the options expire on Friday, but they really don't redeem them until Saturday. They have like 24 hours or something. The point is, not much you can do until the following Monday, which means we're literally a week away. On June 22nd, after all these expire, I'll be able to sell options again. Now, the exception is if they go above the strike price, right? So like, let's look at this one. They're currently at 484. They could very easily be above 5 on Friday, which means that these will be gone. But if they're gone, I have the $500 cash from that as well, and I'll just find a new option to invest in, a new stock to invest in, an option to sell. The point is, right now, unless something major happens to the market, which is always possible, I should have no problems generating $500 cash. Now recall, I generated over $400, but I used $30 of it to buy the last stock, whichever the last one was that I bought. And so what I'm really interested in here is this $369.82. And the reason is because we started with $2,500, and I'm trying to show that you could generate really between $250 and $500 a week if you invested $10,000. Obviously, I'm investing 1/4 of that, so I'm trying to generate between $250 and $500 a month. Okay, and it looks like we're going to hit $500 this month. Next month, we might not be quite as fortunate, but we should be able to still achieve around $250 or so next month. So that's the goal. We'll see what happens. After that, I will start dumping the cash back in. But the concept here is that you could literally have just had a $2,500 investment. You could take this $370 out now, or wait till the end of the month or whatever, and take out your $500, and you'd still have about the same here. The main thing is you own the stocks. And so month after month after month, you just keep generating cash. Unlike the traditional way where you're investing and growing the wealth, we're just generating cash. I am going to take the cash I generate and dump it back in, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm waiting to kind of show how you can make your $500. Once I've proven that, then I can start reinvesting my money, and then I'll have $3,000 invested next month, and then $3,250 to $3,500 the following month, and so on and so forth. And ultimately, I want to grow this thing to $10,000 and be able to have $10,000 in there and basically really just generate an income once I do that. And remember, this all started with a $2,500 investment on June 1st or June 2nd. So anyway, that's it. I will see you next Monday when we talk about what we've done after the options have expired and what we're going to do next. Take care, everybody. Bye.